should a young Muslim learn so he doesn't lose his faith tomorrow? What he should learn today so he doesn't learn his faith tomorrow?
This is a big question because there are things that are basics in Islam. No Muslim is allowed to not know them. So the pillars of iman, who is Allah, who are his angels, messengers, scriptures, what is the belief in the day of judgment, what is the belief in the divine decree or the predestiny, whether good or bad. This sets the foundation of Aqeedah. These are things that a Muslim must know so that he would not lose his faith. To a certain extent, he's not obliged to be a scholar in Aqeedah, but he has to know the basics of Tawheed al-Rububiyyah, al-Uluhiyyah, and Tawheed of Lordship, Tawheed of Worship, Tawheed of the beautiful names and attributes. He has to know how to pray. He has to know how to fast, because these are ongoing and reoccurring things. If he's rich, he has to know how to give zakat. He has to know what is haram and prohibited for him that he must avoid. Once he knows these basic things, his iman is intact. In order to preserve his iman and to increase it and not decrease it, he has to observe his daily adhkar in the morning, in the evening, before going to bed, before leaving his home, and after the fard prayers. He has to have a portion of the Quran that he recites every single night, so that he finishes and accomplishes reciting the whole Quran from cover to cover at least once a month. At least. If he does this, inshallah, he's in good hands.
Jazakallah khair.